Greetings, fellow explorers. Thank you for returning to our channel. We're going to talk about the Pi network payment and Pi barter system today, which is really amazing. Pi network could be familiar to you if you've been following the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology scenes. Pi barter, on the other hand, is an even more fascinating idea that has the potential to completely change the way that people exchange products and services all across the world. So stay tuned, because at the end of this video, you will have a firm grasp on Pi barter and Pi network payments. The Pi network emerges as a trailblazing force in an era where blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are garnering enormous interest, fundamentally dissimilar from the conventional methods we're used to. In contrast to other cryptocurrencies, which necessitate substantial expenditures, energy usage, and complicated equipment, anyone with a smartphone may easily join the Pi network. The Pi network has made the democratization of digital currencies possible, giving everyone access to financial empowerment. Even more intriguing is the potential for Pi network payment and Pi barter systems, which have the potential to completely alter how we conduct business. First things come first. Let's review the basics of the Pi network. Launched in 2019, Pi network is a comparatively new digital currency startup. Its primary objective is to enable the general public to access cryptocurrencies without requiring expensive mining equipment, specialized technology, or excessive energy usage. This idea displaces the traditional cryptocurrency mining techniques, which frequently call for enormous amounts of electricity and processing power. Rather, the Pi network gives people access to a straightforward yet effective tool: their smartphones. Through the use of smartphones, users may now mine Pi, removing the obstacles that have previously prevented more people from participating in cryptocurrency mining. Millions of people have rapidly taken notice of this novel strategy, demonstrating the project's potential to completely change the cryptocurrency market. Pi network encourages you to participate in this ground-breaking project, regardless of your level of experience with cryptocurrencies. We extend a warm welcome to anyone who is new to this world. Pi network's fundamental concept is based on sustainability and accessibility. The Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, a revolutionary technique used by Pi network, replaces the energy-intensive proof of work, POW proof, of stake and pose mining methods used by traditional cryptocurrencies. This protocol focuses on securely maintaining a decentralized ledger, removing the need for computations that consume energy. Pi network guarantees this way that all users, no matter where they live or what level of hardware they have access to, will be treated equally. Because of this user-centric approach, Pi network users now feel more connected to one another and the cryptocurrency ecosystem, as there are no longer any hurdles to admission. The Pi network app, accessible on iOS and Android, offers a simple and easy-to-use mining platform so that anyone may earn Pi tokens, regardless of background. Pi network has thereby attracted a varied user base, spanning regional and socioeconomic divides and bringing the cryptocurrency sector closer to the general public. Now, let's move on to the interesting part: the payment method for Pi network. Pi may be used within the Pi network app, and it is currently in the contained mainnet phase. Your mined Pi can be used to pay online and at physical retailers, as well as by other users. Consider it a modified form of peer-to-peer digital currency. It doesn't need a lot of energy, extensive mining, or gear purchases. Because of this, it is very sustainable and user-friendly. Pi hopes to serve a range of use cases by becoming a widely used and practical means of exchange via the Pi network payment system. The payment system has the power to democratize and streamline financial transactions, from small-scale purchases to large-scale multinational transactions. Pi network's payment system is based on the idea of borderless, frictionless, and inexpensive transactions. It provides an early look at how digital currencies will function in our daily lives in the future. Let's now discuss Pi barter, the true game. Changer. Pi Network is elevated to a whole new level by this idea. With Pi as the medium of exchange, Pi Barter is a tool that lets you trade goods and services with other users directly. Imagine having the ability to exchange spare parts from your house, freelancing skills, or even handcrafted products with individuals worldwide without requiring physical money. Pi Barter is a decentralized, trust-based system that depends on blockchain technology and the security of the Pi network. Pi Barter has a lot of advantages. First, accessibility on a global scale. You may use Pi Barter to conduct business with anyone, anywhere in the world. It is dismantling geographical boundaries. One of the most important advantages of Pi Barter is its worldwide accessibility. Geographical constraints frequently prevent people and businesses from conducting business with partners from across the globe in the traditional realm of trade and commerce. Secondly, empowering tiny if small companies take Pi as payment. They can grow and prosper. This is particularly advantageous for companies in areas where traditional banking is scarce. It is impossible to exaggerate the value of Pi Barter in supporting small businesses. Numerous obstacles frequently confront small enterprises, especially in relation to accepting payments and gaining access to financial services. Thirdly, cut out the middlemen. Pi Barter does not require middlemen because it runs on a decentralized blockchain. Your transactions are completely under your control. Pi Barter relies on the elimination of middlemen as one of its core ideas. In the realm of conventional trade, middlemen like banks, payment processors, and other financial organizations frequently pocket a portion of the transaction fee, which raises the price for both buyers and sellers. But in the realm of Pi Barter, these middlemen become superfluous. The parties to a transaction deal directly with one another. Because of the strength of smart contracts and blockchain technology. The fourth item is community development. Pi Barter makes the network feel more cohesive and trustworthy. This facilitates the development of enduring bonds with other traders. Pi Barter is not merely an online marketplace. It's a tool for fostering community through the development of a community within the Pi Barter network. Users create enduring bonds in addition to exchanging products and services. Pi Barter and Pi Network Payment appear to have very bright futures. Pi Network's development team is hard at work making the platform better and getting Pi accepted as a real digital currency by the general public. We may anticipate additional real-world use cases and a broader acceptance of Pi as a payment and exchange method as these systems develop and expand. It is also anticipated that the Pi Barter system will continue to improve its capabilities, giving it an even more flexible and easy to use platform for peer swaps and trading. Pi has the potential to completely transform the cryptocurrency market. Therefore, it's an interesting project to follow as it develops. The evolution of Pi Network Payment and Pi Barter is something to closely monitor, regardless of whether you utilize Pi networks or are just curious about the future of digital currencies. To sum up, Pi Network Payment and Pi Barter aim to transform our perceptions of digital currencies and peer-to-peer exchange. It has potential since it prioritizes usability, accessibility, and global reach.